How to get into Clubhouse without an invite, part 2. So let's get right into it. How do you get on Clubhouse without an invite? There are a couple ways. So I made another video, which I'll put here, that basically went through just how to get on there if you had a friend, but there are other ways. So there are Facebook groups, which I'm going to pop an image up here somewhere of what the Facebook group looks like. Now these are invite trained groups. Basically means that a couple of people in the group have invites. They basically invite one person. When that one person gets in, they get one invite, and then they invite the next person in line. So you don't know these people, but basically you're sticking to that rule that when I get finally invited, I'm going to use my invite for the next person in line. Now it's really, really important that you stick with the rule, because you can mess up the entire invite train, and people do not get very happy about that, okay? So if you go and join those Facebook groups, make sure you stick to the invite train, okay? Second way, you can look for invite giveaways on YouTube. Just put Clubhouse invite giveaway into the search bar, and there are people all over social media giving those away like I did, and I'm going to be giving some away as they come up. So basically, the more I use the app, the more invites I get, and I will do it on a giveaway. Do not email or message and ask us to give you one. We will not give you one. We are only giving it away randomly. It's not fair that we have thousands of people asking on these videos for an invite, and you think by messaging or emailing me to beg me to give you an invite that I'm going to disregard the thousands of other people that want to get in. I want to do this as fair as possible, so random is fair. Okay. The third way that you can get into Clubhouse is through a friend. Now, this is the very important thing. You had to have been in that person's contact list when they signed up for Clubhouse. Then when they signed up for Clubhouse, they had to allow Clubhouse to download or upload their contact list. So when you sign up for the app, what happens is they get a green notification that says, do they want to let you in? Now, sometimes this happens and sometimes it doesn't. So I have had people in my phone list for years. They joined Clubhouse and I never got an invite, and I cannot figure out why. I have been in the Clubhouse forums. There are help forums in there where there are people that work with Clubhouse and they are trying to figure out the glitch, but it doesn't work for everyone. Another note, I know some of you are like sending me your phone number. You're like, add me to your contact. It doesn't work that way. I cannot add you to my contacts. I've tried with like 10 people and then get a notification. It doesn't work that way. You've had to have been in my contact list before I downloaded the app. So this is my tip for you. Go and download the app and sign up. Allow that app to upload your contacts. Connect your Twitter and Instagram if it allows you to in the beginning. I'm not exactly sure what order it does it in. But whatever it asks you, just say yes, okay? And then hopefully you'll have maybe a longtime friend or something on there that you didn't know was on Clubhouse, and they can let you in, right? Then what you can do is go to Facebook and look for the invite chain groups, okay? And then get in there. But don't be the one that takes the invite and gives it to someone you know, because it's really, really rude, you know? People have done that, and it's just rude because now we have to wait for someone else, weeks for someone else to get an invite to start the train over again. So really be a ethical person and stick to the process, okay? So that's the ways that you can get into, and also look on YouTube for that giveaways, okay? I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure you check your channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because every time I get invites, I'm going to be giving them away randomly. All right, guys, good luck, and I really hope you get on Clubhouse. All right, bye-bye.